Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. For those of you that are new here, welcome to my channel. So today's video is actually a very short video where we'll be unboxing this hot comb. Okay, so please stick around, subscribe, like, share if you really love what you see. Okay, thank you. I'll just go ahead and open it. It comes with an instruction book of how to use it, the warnings and everything you need to know about the hot comb. Then the cord, it comes with a UK plug, which is very good. You can plug to your socket, to your extension, anywhere, and the cord is quite lengthy. And then it comes with this rubber like a protective gear, just to protect the hot comb. And then I'll just go ahead and unravel the cord, then we'll plug it to a power source just to see how it works. So once you plug it and then you click on it once, it comes on immediately and it start blinking one light. So on the hot comb there is a number. It has 1, 2 and 3. Number 1 is the lowest. So once you click on it, it start blinking and it starts getting hot immediately. Like, it doesn't even waste time, it's already getting really hot. And then when you click it the second time, the heat increase, so you can basically regulate it to any temperature you want. Then when you click it the third time, it increases to the highest level, and it at this point it start getting really hot. So you can adjust it to according to how you want it to be, according to your hair type or your hair extension, anything. So when you click it the fourth time, it goes off. So it is very easy to use, pretty easy to use. Click once and it's on. Click the second time and it increases. You click the third time, it increases to the highest, and then when you click for the fourth time, it goes off totally. So this is pretty easy to use and it is quite doable. So while using it, make sure you place it on the stand so that it doesn't burn anything. And then when you're done too, you need to still place it on the stand for it to totally cool down. Then you can now cover it with the plastic rubber just to protect it too. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.